Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, very stylish and artistic in itself, because in this video I'm going to share very beautiful, creative, stylish, designer style, handmade, hand knitted, cozy, warm wool baby frock design of dresses, frocks, shirts, sweaters, cardigans, ponchos and many more creative stuff related to baby girl dresses. So if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel yet, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then it's a humble request to you that please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now I will not further drag about my request to you for subscribing my channel or watching my videos. Let's move back towards our main content, that is, and my main request to have a look on these very beautiful and creative design ideas. As you know that in winters it's very difficult to keep your kids protected and classy and cool as well. So these patterns of very easy knitting styles of handmade, hand knitted, crochet or any type of other knitting pens could be used to make these. Your baby would feel safe, comfortable, cozy, warm and would look stylish and cute as well. So if you are an lover of designing your baby girl dresses at home, or you are a crochet beginner, or you are in search of very beautiful and stylish design ideas of baby girl dresses, then friends, this video collection is absolutely for you. And if you want to get some more creative, stylish and funky ideas related to women fashion, girls or baby girls design ideas, hand art, hand embroidery, crochet, paint designing and many more creative girls fashionable accessories or latest trendy ideas related to women fashion, then do follow our channel, our content on daily basis, because on daily basis we do and try our best to share latest trendy and beautiful, up to the mark design ideas related to women fashion. So stay tuned and stay blessed. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care and don't forget to comment below my videos so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis.